Have an old shed, the floor rotted out. Ah, no problem. This is how you correct that shit. This is how you correct it. What you do? It's an old shed. It was a chicken coop. It kind of rotted out. So I busted out all the floor, got rid of it. Left just the joist. Propped it up with a couple bricks. Virtually a genius. I take 1x12s, slide them through there, proper length, screw them down, boom. Your job's almost done. Then all you gotta do is screw them down and set the shed back down on there, screw the shed down. Huh. Genius. Genius. About 15 minutes worth of work. Like and subscribe. I'll teach you more.